Hi, it's Diana Willett. How are you today? Today we're making a delicious sour cream pound cake and you're going to love it. Alright, the first thing we're going to do, put the oven on 350, have a nice big bowl. Now in here is 3 cups of gluten-free flour, baking soda, and salt. Let's throw that all in there. Put everything in here. It's going to come out absolutely delicious. It's a plain cake too. It'll come out good. Alright, put that over there. Now I want to add sugar. 3 cups of sugar. Okay, right in here. Get that mixed a little bit here. Make sure the oven's on 350. Make sure you preheat it. Alright. We're using a lot of eggs today, 6 eggs, which is a lot. I'm going to put it in one at a time. It'll come out a nice rich cake. 1, 2, 3. I'm starting to write my book. It's called Fright. To scare you out of your wits. 4. 5 and 6. Okay, let me just wash my hands. Hold on. Okay. Flour your bundt pan here. I use the spray, coconut spray. Or let's get this going. I could have used a large mixer, but I didn't feel like taking it out. You ever get up at night and see the dead in your room? Standing there? I don't think so. That's why the book is called Fright. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla and a little lemon extract. Smells delicious. I'm going to have to cream this butter here. 3 sticks of unsalted butter. It'll take a while to get this going. It's going to be incorporated in here. Sour cream pound cake, delicious. You can even make like a blueberry sauce for it, or a strawberry sauce, whatever you want to do. Trying to get that butter incorporated in here. And we're going to put in 8 ounces of sour cream as soon as I get that butter in here. I haven't cooked in a while because I'm writing my book, so a lot of work. It'll be coming out. Take a while, about maybe 3 months. And if they don't make this book a movie, then they're stupid. It'll be better than Insidious and The Conjuring. Trying to get this butter incorporated here. If you'd like to melt the butter before you put it in there, that's fine too. I made it soft.
Why don't you melt the butter before you...
They just say to make it soft. They didn't tell you to melt it.
That would have been a lot easier.
Yeah, but I was going to use the other mixer, which was easy to do. Which I could still melt it if I want. Wait 1 minute. I'm going to melt the other one so it can just go easily right in there. Alright, let's do it. See this? It'll be much easier for me to blend it. Take a sec, just melt it and make it really soft. Okay? While that's melting, I'm going to keep blending. Next time, melt the butter because then it blends better. But anyway.
I would say to do that instead.
I know,
it's
but
a lot
it
easier.
was soft, so you have to make it a little softer, that's all.
It's a struggle to keep doing it with that thick butter like that.
Well, it's melting now. I was going to use the big, you know, blender there, but I didn't. Too much trouble putting it over here. The big KitchenAid mixer, you know, blends it really quick, but I didn't want to do it, so.
I'll let it burn.
Almost done now. I'm watching it. I gotta blend this anyway, so it's fine. Almost done. Gonna come out delish. I'll be going to New York soon too. Take a nice little trip. I'm just going to turn that off. Wait another sec. Alright, here we go.
See, that's easier. You don't have to worry about grinding it up. Just pour the liquid right in there, and it's alright. That's a lot easier, isn't it?
Yep. Okay, now sour cream, 8 ounces. And that's all the ingredients. I want to get this out of the way here. This is all right. eggshells.
You know, again, yeah. Isn't it a lot easier to melt the butter?
Yeah, well, with the pot, yes. I was putting usually a big electric mixer now.
Yeah.
Or it should have stayed a little more to get softer. I didn't let it get soft enough.
I never had a sour cream cake.
It's good. Pound cake. It's delicious.
I mean, this is actually my first time.
Huh?
This is actually my first time ever
That's good.
trying it out. So I'm looking forward to trying it out.
Good. Good for you.
Yeah.
All right. Now, plug this. Get some room here. And now we're going to put it in here. Now, if you're a goddamn sumo wrestler, you can pick this up. But,
Yeah.
whoa, this is heavy.
You want me to help you or something? You need some help?
No, I could do it. As long as it stays like this. Big, heavy bowl. I don't want to turn it all over the place. It'll get drippy. Leave it stationary like this. Get it all in there. Blend it. This is a big cake too, you know. Make sure this doesn't stick. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's good. Alright, and just go like that, get all the air out of it, air bubbles. See it? Alright, now we're going to bake that 350 for an hour. Very, very hot. Get it in there. Woo! Alright, let's get it all ready here. 1 hour. We'll be going to New York soon. Good thing the weather's nice. Start. Okay, so now I'll be back in an hour or after it cools, and then I'll show you the final product. So, I'll see you in a little while now. Bye-bye.